May ni somni pasari sang ni somni parugani he Israel lampang chuanin Hamas military wing chief thar an ruat thar chiakha Israel lampang chuan tha sak le hala ni pui khop mai he thil breaking news ania he Gaza Israel hian va tha sakha ti chuan Israel lampang hian Lebanon apo be puyan thla kani hetiang news kan reaction mai he kan en holo kong o
Mizoram Youth Commission Government of Mizoram le Ikfa University Mizoram tangkap chuan tun thlani somni pakwa hian Ikfa University Mizoram campus durtlang nota job fair bot se le dona Mizoram chung le pon atangin na latur company sang thatem tak an local le dona ni apuna hian na lak recruitment ne ani dona phailam company chen khatjinga online interview le test bot sector anom bokang kumsang ni le somni pangangan thlothling taka he fair lo nei ani towa Mizo thlai na jong lai sak chuang localin mi za chungin na lo pu phato bokani program honna hi puma samzol ralte chairman of Mizoram Youth Commission in aneinga sopa dar college and betangin registration hi ti tan the aniang job fair a hen na jong lai pol song pati pas chin song te chukan somvek chewa biodata marksheet le certificate te ken turani e kana tu nei rem chang lo tan po Ikfa University bas mangin on kal the anianga jing dare le chan vea vaiva kon sikul pi kon le zembok ve nga tangin anon chhuak tanang Hecheng du ta noya phone number tarla na te hian Zofia theiren kan ni e
Ikfa University Mizoram campus durtlang norta Friday May ni somni pakwa hian job fair omdona ino hankal ve theu donia
Israel has said that its forces have eliminated Mohammed Odeh, the new commander of the military wing of Hamas and one of the architects of the 7th of October massacre.
October nisari sangni somni pathum Hamas ten rong taka Israel milesa tamtak antha bultum tu pakhatte jingami tuna Hamas military wing chief thar hi Israel lampang hianin antha sakleta ani an intelligence agency Mossad ho ten intelligence tiang han lakho mga apui thin ngot mai Israel hebo
Odeh was appointed as the chief of the Al-Qassam brigade after his predecessor was killed in a bombing on the Gaza Strip earlier in the month of May.
Tun thatir khan an sipai hotu pakhat kha Gaza Strip Israel lampang hian lo bom hlum to nei mo bom thing khop mai chu pa chu he pa hian aron thak don ani hetiang aron thak fel nu lok hian ani poi tiang hian in tha ani zui ani
It is not immediately clear if he had been killed in Tuesday's bombings, and Gaza's Civil Defense Agency, which operates as a rescue service under Hamas, reported that at least about 3 Palestinians were killed.
Ani baka hianin Palestinian mile sa mi pathum hi anga report ani bok ani tuna hianin Israel hianin Hamas te ta Hezbollah te laka hem be pu hi da thak renga Iran hian US ne na deal kan siam don chuan Lebanon na Hezbollah te po hi in be to turani lo US in be turani lawa Israel te man in be turani lo tin Iran chon demand te po kha siama amai ro chu Israel hian hetiang thil hi angai poimo sakvak lawani mel Iran du dan himo Israel hi chon in tiang hianin ma lola be pui lo thak mi mai ne
And more than 20 others were wounded in the Israeli bombing in the Rimmel neighborhood in western Gaza City, where Palestinians are living in ever more cramped conditions with a population density which is said to be the highest in the world. And Israel, remember, has
mi som ni vel hiam tur boka he chu maklawa a chan chu Israel ina an bom na hmuna hianin mitam tak an khosa ani a population density sang khop mai mitam tak an khosa chu wang chon khatianga an tha du tak an tha theina turatan khan Palestinian mi le sa then khate po kha then khadan lo thia then khatin hiam an lo tura kha chu avoid thei ani lo an lo tor ve ngai ti to mai teang tong moi lo ni lo se a chan chu khitiang hian Palestinian mi tele Hamas hel ho khi mun khata khan an ho tleta chu van chon in Israel pon du thlan turi nei big vak ni na lang lo tia be pian thak hianin tu te emon he chu an lo thi amo an lo hliam le nge zel ani
taken over nearly 60% of the Gaza Strip.
Mohammed
There was a
Odeh
sudden airstrike by Israeli warplanes. It was a surprise. They hit a rooftop apartment in a building with 3 missiles, and they weren't simple missiles. They were heavy ones.
Missile mangin Israel lampang te hian be ni omje chu Israel lampang hian karin dan chon jet fighter ki pa ina soi dan chon mo mitalo mutu te pohani thea jet fighter te han tir lu tanga Israel lampang han chuan jet fighter atang hanin missile mangin building chung a chong sang ber ron ka pati omje chu khatiang building thataka khan king Hamas helho an troi tu Mohammed te kha khang te kha an lo om ani theya kha Israel lampang chuan in anom na khan ron shele chat mai ani Israel intelligence Mossad te yan bon kan ti to kha he han an ron shet chata chuan in missile mangin te han kap le ta ani
A joint statement.
Hi Israel Prime Minister Office atanga ron chu ania Israel Defense Force te chuan in Mohammed Ode Gaza o mek tuna I Hamas te sipai hotu thar hi le sipai hotu thar ani mai baka October ni sari kumsang hi som ni pathuma I Israel tam tak rong taka tha ani chuma mo phurtu berkha kan thata ani atiani ti chuanin October ni sari kumsang hi som thi pathuma katinga Hamas howina Israel laga bepuyan thak chum khan I Mohammed Ode hi Hamas how intelligence staff head alone to bok ani chu wan chuanin Israel tan chuanin tha achak omdon zek ani Mossad te hi abigin Mossad le CIA te hi khawvel rampum puya intelligence agency mi that nemberte itimai te ang khatia hanan telani hemi Mossad le CIA te hi mo soipo a hlo khop mai ani kar khat kalta leka khanin ezedin al hadat thak tu tan khanin Mohammed Ode hi an ruata ti chuanin hei hun tampo le liam lo kar khat apela hetianga ni na poimo ta karon chel chongnu hianin Israel lampang chuanin tiang hianin an lo that ngal mak mai ani
7 people were killed in another Israeli bombing in eastern.
chuanin thil pakhat ka soile do chu tuna hianin Lebanon a hianin Israel in bepuya thak meka an tui khwa lian ber pakhat hi Israel lampang hianin a bom chiat sak ni in alanga Lebanon lampang himo a chan chu nia tiang mun poimo te kha awati chiat sak na save an ti mai theya kan thre tur chu Lebanon a hianin Hezbollah nom Iran hel khoi chu wan chuanin Iran hel khoi te Lebanon a an om chung chu Israel hianin an duemo dulowemo an be ve ngai doni a chan chu Hezbollah te hianin Israel lampang hi ti boy kha an tum ve reng don sia khami kha tu na ta na kan han ri kan han soi zaw the ani breaking news mo hetiang hianin Israel te chuanin an mani ram ta na la om thei tur mi poimo tak ni na poimo tak chel an mani hmel ma khami an ni na poimo tak chel te kha ti hanin an da thamak mai ani Israel te hian an bon thin khop mai ole video le kan i mole theu don yo